Hi there, Rebel. I wanted to help you come up with a little bit of niche selection and strategy when starting your first print-on-demand store. Let's get started. As a free gift to you as a beginner, I wanted to create this print-on-demand starter kit to help you along in your print-on-demand journey. I've created it so you can go along and research your ideal niche customer, create a customer avatar, as well as research products, create designs for those products, set up your shop of choice, as well as a marketing plan, which I think is absolutely essential for starting a new business. Now, this print-on-demand starter kit is absolutely free for you to use. I would highly recommend downloading it now, printing it out, and then following along. Recently, I've upgraded and added a niche selection and strategy guide, so we're going to walk through that today. So here is the print-on-demand niche selection and strategy guide. Say that 5 times fast. This is to help you brainstorm, refine, and select a profitable niche for your print-on-demand business. I want to help you kind of gain a little bit of clarity to your customer, as well as find trending niche-focused products, create designs that sell, and build a sustainable business. So step number 1 is brainstorming your niche. You want to make sure you choose a good niche. So your super obscure hobby might not be the best choice for a print-on-demand store. And that's okay. I've come up with 4 questions to help you explore potential ideas. First, what are your passions, interests, or expertise? Go ahead and take a second to brainstorm some ideas. Next, what communities do you belong to or understand well? Like, upcoming is the Renaissance Festival. I feel like especially a niche like that has so many different layers and sub-niches that a lot of that is emotionally driven, it's interest driven, it's a hobby. That is definitely a place for print-on-demand potential. Number 3, what problems or needs exist that a print-on-demand product could solve? When it comes to solving a problem, print-on-demand might not be your customer's first choice. So I would also recommend trying to brainstorm products that are more an emotional purchase, like something that is either going to make your customer feel sentimental or laugh out loud, or something that is going to get them to purchase based off an emotional connection to your product. Not just because it helps them get rid of knee pain or something. That's not really where print-on-demand falls into place as far as products go. Now, there are problems that print-on-demand products can solve, but I'd say more like vanity problems and not necessarily like health, wealth, relationship kind of problems. And lastly, what trending or evergreen topics excite you? Evergreen niches are categories that are always searchable, trending, and relatable. So like weddings, babies, pets, family, traveling, careers. There's a lot of evergreen niches. Now, obviously, there are more sub-niches and detailed customer bases within those big umbrella niches. But if you find one that really interests you, I would suggest kind of exploring that more. And from that little brainstorm, I then want you to write down 5 to 10 different niche ideas. I would suggest using places like Etsy, Pinterest, Amazon, TikTok, or Google Trends to help you see if there's actually a customer base for the niche that you are interested about. Step 2 is all about validating your niche. So a few things you want to consider is the demand for the niche as well as the products. So this is where keyword research tools are going to help you out. You can see based off of the keywords that people are searching for if they connect with your niche. If the terms that people are searching for are things that you can possibly be using in your titles, descriptions, tags, or products that you are selling to this niche. Again, super obscure niches might not work best in the print-on-demand space, but it's always a good idea to do research just to make sure you are validating your brainstorming and finding a niche that's going to work with print-on-demand. Once you have narrowed down your niche selection to one or two kind of star niches, this is where I want you to start dreaming up your ideal customer. Their age, their aesthetic, their hobbies, their pain points. Really kind of create this dream customer avatar to, I guess, kind of put a face to your niche. Like, who are you creating this for? Once you have created your dream customer, we're going to head to Etsy, Pinterest, Google, and Amazon to do more researching, but products. So you want to go and search your super specific customers to not only help you verify the niche, but to help you come up with some ideas. Number 3, I want you to take your research and then write down at least 3 to 10, if you're feeling spontaneous, print-on-demand products that are emotionally connecting with your niche, maybe serve a practical purpose, and then also have really good research data-driven results. Like when you go to search something, Google Trends is showing that it's trending. You can find bestsellers on Etsy, and it's a popular Pinterest search term. Next, step 4 is all about creating your designs. Now, I won't be showing you how to create a design in this video, but you can follow along this one to help you create a customized design with Gelato. Some design trends and concepts to keep in mind are typography-based designs, like quotes, slogans, or definitions, minimalist and modern designs, hand-drawn illustrations, personalized elements, which Gelato actually does a super stellar job in helping you create personalized products, kind of hands-off. With Gelato's personalization studio, you're able to kind of create templates to these personalized products, and then Gelato handles all of the customization. All your customer has to do is type in the personalized areas that they want customized, and Gelato handles the rest. If you're looking to set up this personalized option with your Etsy or Shopify website, I have Personalization Studio linked down below for you to try out. For design ideas, though, I would head to Etsy or Pinterest. Create a Pinterest board. Save some listings on Etsy. We're going to use these as inspiration, please don't copy, to help you come up with dream products for your dream customers. And this is where we're going to take the writing and turn it into designs. If you're looking to get started with a design software, I would recommend Kittl, Canva, or if you are an artist and you are experienced with creating digital art, I would definitely recommend Procreate. Sometimes all it takes is one design to reach that bestseller status. I would say though, having more designs when you start out might be very overwhelming. So 25 is a lot of design concepts to come up with just when you're starting. I would stick to maybe 3 to 5 and then test them out in the wild. Open an Etsy shop or throw up some Facebook ads. You want to make sure that designs that you create resonate with your clients and your customers before you go out and create more of them. The best way to do this would be to create some type of a test store, either with Shopify or Etsy. With a little bit of research, maybe some editing here and there, and good marketing, you're sure to find something that's going to resonate well with your customer base. Please don't give up. Please keep trying if you don't see traction with your designs. If you need a second pair of eyes to look over your designs, I'd be happy to help you out and give you a few constructive pointers. We all got to start somewhere. These were some of my first designs. And lastly, step number 5, you want to build your brand and market your print-on-demand business. So do a little bit of thinking. What is going to make your store stand out? What's your unique selling position? Maybe you're selling to nurses and you yourself have been a nurse for over 30 years. That gives you a unique perspective. Or what is your MVP or your minimal viable product? Along with that nurse niche, maybe they really connect to having their own crossbody bag or a customized travel mug. Based off your research, what is a best-selling product that you could be offering to your niche? This is going to kind of help give you a better idea of what that MVP product is going to be. And then when it comes to marketing, you definitely want to have a strategy. There's a variety of different platforms that you can be marketing your products on. I would recommend sticking with one to begin with and then slowly cross-posting and building audiences on other platforms. Doing too much at one time is going to be overwhelming, so just stick with one for now. Something I really struggled with as a beginner getting started with print on demand was figuring out what to do and when. So a part of my free kit, I'm including a daily step-by-step kind of checklist planner as well as a 4-week calendar, both designed to help you kind of make sure you're staying on task in this period of time while you're starting your shop. If it takes you longer than 4 weeks, if you need a few extra days to get a few more steps done, that's totally fine. And if you are looking for a hand to hold or if you have questions, I would love to answer your questions. Or if you're looking for more one-on-one help, I offer print-on-demand services on Fiverr. I have that link down below for you. Until then, I can't wait to see what you create. If you're looking for niche ideas, comment niche and I'll send you my list of over 100 profitable print-on-demand niches and product ideas. See you in the next one, Rebel.